Now we are discussing about battery manufacturing. Battery manufacturing is a critical industry that supports various applications, including consumer electronics, electric vehicles, renewable energy storage, and industrial equipment. Here is an overview of the key components and process in battery manufacturing. Number one is types of batteries. Common battery types manufactured include lithium-ion. Lithium-ion means that is ion used in EVs, smartphones and laptops due to their high energy density and rechargeability. And next is lead acid used in vehicles and backup power systems known for their reliability and low cost. And next is nickel-based batteries, that is NiMH and NiCd. That means often used in hybrid vehicles and some portable devices. And the next is solid-state batteries, emerging technology with higher safety and energy density. And the next is key components are key components. Number two is key components. Anode, that is anode, commonly constituted in lithium batteries. And cathode, materials like lithium cobalt oxide, lithium iron phosphate, or nickel manganese cobalt. And the next is electrolyte, a medium liquid gel or solid, facilitating ion movement between anode and cathode. Next is nickel-based batteries, often used in hybrid vehicles and some portable devices. Solid-state batteries. Solid-state batteries, emerging technology with higher safety and energy density. And the next key components are anode, commonly graphite in lithium batteries. Cathode, material like lithium cobalt oxide, lithium iron phosphate, or nickel manganese cobalt. And the next is electrolyte, a medium that is liquid, gel or solid, facilitating ion movement between anode and cathode. And the next is a separator, a thin membrane, preventing short circuits while allowing ion flow. And the next is in key components, casing, provides structural integrity and protection. Next is manufacturing process. Types of manufacturing batteries typically involves material preparation, mining and refining raw materials. Example is lithium, cobalt and nickel. Next is synthesizing cathode and anode materials. And the next key components are electrode fabrication, mixing active materials with binders and conductive agents, coating and drying materials onto metal foils, aluminium for cathodes, copper for anodes. Next is calendaring to achieve the desired thickness and density. Next is key components are cell assembly, cutting and stacking electrodes and separators, or rolling for cylindrical and prismatic cells. Next is adding electrolyte and sealing cells in protective casings. Next is formation and aging, charging and discharging cells to activate materials and stabilize performance, conducting quality control tests to detect defects. And the next is industry trends, sustainability, efforts to reduce reliance on rare earth metals and improve recycling processes. Next is energy density, focus on developing batteries with higher capacities to extend EV range. And the next is cost reduction, innovations in materials and production techniques to lower costs, safety, advancing thermal management and solid state technologies to minimize risks. The next is key players and regions, manufacturers, Tesla, that is gigafactories, CATL, LG, Chem, Panasonic, BID means BYD, and Samsung aside SDI. Regions as China dominates production, followed by South Korea, Japan, Europe, and the US. Now, what are the challenges in battery manufacturing? Supply chain constraints, limited availability of critical raw materials like lithium and cobalt. Next is environmental concerns, mining impacts and battery disposal issues. Next is the scaling production, meeting growing demand for EVs and renewable energy storage. This is the information. Suppose if you would like to dive deeper into a specific aspect, such as processes, sustainability, or industry players means, you can study in Google or in otherwise in YouTube also. So many informations are available. Suppose if you want any specific thing, if you want to know, you can read those also. But these will give the theoretical understanding only. If you want to get any practical experience means, it is better to go to the industry or manufacturing unit. Then you can understand everything very easily. This is the information regarding battery manufacturing. Batteries manufacturing is must in the present world. Suppose battery vehicles and battery cars, everything is coming in battery vehicles, scooters, cycles also they are using batteries only. So manpower roaming is most important for doing their works and as well as for running the industry and as to all. So battery manufacturing is also a very good and interesting subject, and technology also should be increased more for weightless, and cost reduction also should be there for the time being. Wishing you all the best.